Hey folks, Marcel back with the Pulse. I'm going to share with you some stories, some incredible stories of people taking Nitralis, a few stories where people are saying they haven't felt anything yet. I'm going to give my response to those of you out there, and also want to speak to some of the people who have been accusing me of advertising Nitralis. Listen, I've been reporting my supplement results for over 5 years, and this is nothing new. When I get excited about something, I do share that information. NMN has so far been the most exciting supplement during that 5 years. That's the one I keep coming back to. There are other supplements I've felt results from. I think creatine has probably been the second most impactful supplement that I've been taking, and I don't think my results are so far out of line with what most people report when they talk about creatine or when they talk about taking NMN. Maybe I'm just more amped up about it because my before and after results were so, and for me, phenomenal. And I'm just happy to feel like I've got my life back. I have never, in the entire time of this or in the entire time of my life, taken something like Nitralis and had these kinds of results that are really immediate. Like I take it and an hour or two later, I'm feeling a difference. And I feel a difference, especially when I play tennis matches. It's been a great tool for me. I'm winning more matches now since I started taking it. I had a rough year last year. I had some injuries that I've reported here before, which I've since recovered from. I don't seem to be as injury prone taking Nitralis as I was before, which is really, I'm grateful for. So I'm just excited about it. You guys want to try it? I've got some plans coming up to help some of you out there try it that haven't been able to yet. I can divulge more of that in, I think in about 2 weeks, something I've been working on. I've hatched this plan to help some of you out there. But right now I want to focus on some of the amazing results people have been reporting. And like I said, respond to some people who said they didn't feel any results yet and throw a couple ideas out there for you and see, what that does for you. Again, everyone I've personally interacted with, my wife, my mother, my tennis coach, several friends, and several viewers that I've personally interacted with directly have all, like 100%, felt results from Nitralis. So sometimes I do look at some of these comments with a skeptical eye and say, are they really taking it? Are they taking 1 capsule? Are they taking 2? But I'm getting so many comments from people that are quite frankly a surprise. Like this one, this guy said he tore his MCL and meniscus 2 years ago, which led to arthritis in his right knee because the meniscus did not heal. He's lived with severe daily pain and nothing has helped. But since within days of taking Nitralis, he noticed a noticeable reduction in pain and discomfort. Now, this is one customer or viewer's comment. He's asking, can this be related? Would that even make sense? And honestly, even the people that do not age were surprised at this, and nobody had a quick answer. We went online. This is what the generic Google response was, and I found this fascinating and just had to share this with you guys. Nitric oxide boosts pain relief. This is, again, coming from Google, just something you can go Google yourself. Nitric oxide boosts pain relief by improving blood flow, reducing inflammation, and enhancing the effects of pain relievers like opioids. I don't know what pain reliever this guy was taking, but it's possible that he was taking some pain relievers already that suddenly got turbocharged, as I've said before. Nitralis seems to do. It helps the benefits of things that you're already taking. It sort of turbocharges them. At least that's been my experience. I'm not giving medical advice here. I always got to put these disclaimers in, and your results will clearly vary from one person to another. But these kinds of anecdotes, these kinds of stories, either my own, my wife's, my mother's, other people that I know, it can help inspire other people, and that's why I do what I do here at this channel and share these stories. So imagine how many people are going through these types of pain issues or chronic pain issues and could really use some benefit. And it looks like this guy has gotten them, and just a simple Google search supports that. He said it also has complex roles, nitric oxide, this is Google talking again, in pain signaling, sometimes contributing to central sensitization, while simultaneously offering anti-inflammatory and vasodilating benefits that ease peripheral nerve pain and muscle soreness. So, and they go on to even mention beets and leafy greens as examples of nitric oxide boosters that can help, and that's actually what's in Nitralis. So, a very simple search result gave us some answers. And then I researched some studies related to nitric oxide offering pain relief. And it was very fascinating because there was a lot of stuff on pain relief, but also what kept coming up was inflammation. And you've even heard many times people in the longevity space here and elsewhere refer to aging inflammation as inflammaging. And so this could be another really strong argument for aging adults like myself to take a nitric oxide booster, in this case Nitralis, but if your nitric oxide booster of choice is something else, then so be it, do that. But we could benefit from anti-inflammatory aspects of nitric oxide boosting, which apparently, according to studies, can be quite powerful. I'll always link studies in the description below, and you can check that out as well. So really some great evidence out there that back up, that support what these viewers are saying. Now, here's another person that wrote in just a couple days ago. And she was experiencing, she says, to any woman experiencing postpartum depression due to not breastfeeding, which can enhance that, feeling tired all the time, she said, give it a try. It did wonders for me. That's what she said. So I found that one fascinating. There was a 70-year-old woman. I made a short about this. She got significant energy back adding Nitralis to the NMN she was already feeling some results with, and she was able to cook standing up again. She was sitting on a stool. My tennis coach immediately said he's feeling stronger and overall better. And I've said before, I did another short on this. My own mom added Nitralis to her NMN TMG Cert 6 activator stack. She's feeling immediately more energy, and her frequent migraines have subsided. My wife no longer needs to take naps in the afternoon, and she's been a tough sell, quite frankly. This is just fact. She doesn't take NMN every day. I've had trouble convincing her to take NMN, even though I'm getting these great results with it. She's been more reluctant about it, but she tried Nitralis and she liked it so much she takes it every day. So, and that's just real world stuff for you. So for those of you out there taking one and not feeling anything, try the suggested 2 capsules. I felt a little bit with one. Immediately, the first 2-3 days, I felt a little bit almost over-caffeinated. I think that's a little unfair, maybe description. It's a simplification of what I was feeling. It wasn't jittery kind of caffeination feeling, but just a little hyper. And that subsided. That got more normal feeling for me. And then I was able to go to 2 capsules after, I think, about 10 days. And I felt great, and I've been doing great ever since. Again, especially on fitness days, that's when I do notice it the most. So my first question for people is, are you taking 1 or 2 capsules? My second question is, are you exercising? Are you out there pushing yourself? That's been the case with NMN for me as well. I notice more results when I'm exercising, the difference before and after with my energy level. Nitralis has been a bigger boost, though, I got to be honest. And I get excited about it. I share this. And because I get excited about it, and I always say, find something to be excited about because it'll enrich your life and your experiences. Because I've been excited about it, these people have gone out and tried it, and then they've gotten their results. And that's the reward for me. At the end of the day, that's the biggest reward. Yes, the channel is a reward also. And if you use my code PULSE for any of the Do Not Age supplements, including Nitralis, yes, this channel earns a few %, and this helps me keep doing this. But honestly, the biggest reward has been my wife feeling better, my mom feeling better, and reading comments every day from people who are also feeling better. The ones that I've interacted with, as I said myself, 100% of them have felt a difference. There are people I honestly don't know, so I can't really vouch for the people in the comments, but I have to acknowledge that there are some people in the comments saying, I took it for 2-3 weeks, I didn't feel different. That's just not been the experience I've had with people that I've interacted with one-on-one directly. I'm not calling them liars. I'm just saying, be advised that that is an outlier, and compared to the real world results I'm seeing from people. So try it for yourself if you're interested. If you're curious about it, try it for yourself. That's the best advice I could give you. It's Nitralis. It's from donotage.org. There's a link in the description. You can try it. You can come back here. You can message me directly. And if you think you're doing something wrong, or if you think maybe you want to take NMN or something else with it, you want to ask me a question, do that, as opposed to just flaming. I'd rather have some interaction with people, because we might figure something out together. I've been doing this 5 years, and I've been talking to thousands of viewers over this time. And maybe, there's some steps you can take that'll help you along. Maybe it's a time of day thing. Maybe it's how you're taking it. Who knows? We don't know until we explore that. But thankfully and gratefully, most people are feeling these amazing results and bringing up things I never even thought about, like the inflammation thing and the pain thing. And it turns out there's a lot of information. You can Google it yourself that's out there supporting nitric oxide as an improver for these things. I hate to say remedy or cure because, it's a supplement and, the algorithm doesn't like that. Although there's some movement in Washington now where they're re-looking and rethinking at the disease cure claim issue with supplements because doctors are recommending things like CoQ10 and different supplements for different ailments. And so the lines are being blurred more and more where a supplement like NAC can help with certain diseases and doctors turn to it. So they are rethinking that right now. And maybe that disease cure policy, the way that it's been laid out for the past 20, 30 years, that could evolve. And it's probably time for it to start evolving where supplements can be used as treatment devices for certain diseases. We'll see if it plays out that way. That's the latest I've got for you all. I'll be back again soon. And Happy New Year. This is the first long form, fresh, new long form I've done this year. And I'll be back at it more regularly now going forward again. Thanks for watching.